Julia is investigating how much exercise people do in a week. She uses these two questions in a questionnaire. Question 1, what is your age? Question 2, how much exercise do you do? Part A says write down one thing wrong with each of these questions. Question 1, what is your age? Under 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 40, over 40. The first thing wrong is that it has an overlapping box. For example, if you were 25 years old, some people may tick this box and some people may have ticked this box. So overlapping boxes. The second thing you could have said is that there are no units. No units. Question 2. How much exercise do you do? A bit, some, and a lot. Well, the first thing wrong is that there's no time frame. Is this in a week, a day, a month, or a year? No time frame. Some people answering this question may think, how much exercise do I do in a week? Someone else may think, how much exercise do I do in a day? So there's no time frame. The second thing wrong is that there's no box to tick if you don't do any exercise at all. And the third thing is it's very open to interpretation. A bit of exercise can mean different things for different people. So that's it for part A. So 2 marks, 1 mark for something wrong in question 1, 1 mark for something wrong in question 2. Julia wants to know how much time people spend exercising. Part B, design a question Julia could use in her questionnaire. So an example could be, how many hours of exercise do you do in a week? Okay, you need at least 3 boxes, at least 3. So this could be 0, could be 1 to 5, 6 to 11, and more than 11 plus. Okay. So this is worth 2 marks. The first mark comes from a question with a time frame. So I've put in a week. You could put in a month. As long as it's got a time frame, it's got 1 mark. The second thing is that it has to have at least 3 boxes that don't overlap. And you also need the units. I've put the units in the question itself. If you don't put hours in the question, then you need to put hours as the units down here. Okay, so that's the second mark. And that's it for question 25.